Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a shape or object in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I'll edit this shape. Now click on this review option, this menu bar, and select this down arrow and select text and graphics option. Now click on this shape and select. You can increase, decrease this shape size here and see this and move in here. And this properties option now showing. Click here. Here you can change border color. See this. And this is fill color. You can change also. And it's opacity option. You can change. See this. And this one also. Similarly, you can increase, decrease this size, left, right, and top, bottom. And as properties option, here you can change border color and fill color you can add. As alignment option, drag your mouse to select two of them. And as align horizontally, vertically, this horizontally, and so on. So in this way you can edit your shape or object in a PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.